Hello, and welcome to today's Guardian training video. This video will cover utilizing the person search function and understanding the person summary page. The following topics will be covered in this training video: searching for a person utilizing identifying information, searching for a person utilizing an application number, and understanding the person summary page. You may be wondering why you would need to conduct a person search and what the benefits of searching for a person may have to you. A person search is conducted to perform a transfer, review contact information for an applicant, view current associations for an applicant, and view any Guardian-generated letters or forms. Each topic discussed in today's video will correlate with a section in your designated user guide with step-by-step instructions to assist with navigation through Guardian. The first topic we will cover today is searching for a person utilizing identifying information. Guardian provides the functionality to search for a person utilizing a combination of identifying information. The first step is to log into your Guardian portal utilizing your credentials. From the home page, hover over the search option on the navigation bar. Select Person Search. The person search criteria boxes will populate. To search the Guardian database for an existing applicant, you must enter at least one identifying piece of information. To assist with narrowing down your search results, enter as much information as possible. Some of the criteria boxes include an applicant's first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, or 10-digit personal identification number. Once your desired criteria has been entered, select Search. Guardian will route you to the individual's person summary page. If you did not enter enough identifying information, Guardian may generate a list of possible applicants. If you obtain a list of applicants, select the applicable individual or enter more search criteria to assist with locating the correct person. Next, we will discuss searching for a person utilizing an application number. Guardian provides the functionality to search for a person utilizing an application number. An application number is created and provided by Guardian with each new association to an applicant's profile. For example, if an individual is associated to a family daycare and a home care agency, the individual will have two separate application numbers, one for each association. If you or the applicant have their application number on hand, this option is a quicker way to get to a person's summary page. From the home page, hover over the search option on the navigation bar. Select Application Search. Enter the application number and select Search. The search will route you to the applicant's person summary page. Now we will discuss understanding the person summary page. Once you have completed your search, either by utilizing identifying information or an application number, the person summary page will populate. The person summary page includes the profile, applications, appeals, association, documents, accreditations, and histories tabs. If the person is associated to a registry, either the Home Care Services Registry or Chestline Registry, the accreditation module will provide background information on whether the applicant is registered. You'll note, this applicant is a registered home care aide with a background check clearance and is eligible for employment. We will first explore the Profile tab. The Profile tab on the Person Summary page will display personal and demographic information for the applicant. Based on the role assigned to your user account, you may edit an applicant's name, address, demographic information, or email address if an error has been made or information needs to be updated. To edit the applicant's name or address, you may select Edit Name and Address. You will notice the following box will appear. You can make all necessary edits and select Save once complete. To edit additional fields on the personal and demographic information page, select Edit. You will notice more of the demographic information fields are editable. Again, click Save once complete. If an additional alias needs to be added to your applicant's profile, you can simply select Add Alias towards the bottom of the page. The Add Alias box will populate and you must enter at least one field to save. If you have mistakenly selected this option, you may click Cancel. If an individual has utilized another first name, middle name, last name, social security number, or date of birth, the information may be added. You may add as many aliases as needed. Again, select Save once complete. If an applicant has a previous address of residence within the United States, other than California, within the past 5 years, you may add the prior address by selecting Add Prior Address at the bottom of the page. Again, this only applies to out-of-state residencies within the past 5 years. Now we will explore the Applications tab. As previously mentioned, Guardian creates an application number for each association. When an application has been successfully submitted, the system connects the application to a background check record. A background check record is associated to a set of fingerprints. Each application in Guardian will be tied to a set of fingerprints or a background check number. The status of the application and background check may be seen on the Applications tab of the Person Summary page. From the Applications tab, you may view applications and background checks associated with the person. And again, background check numbers are associated to a set of fingerprints. The determination status of a background check will provide a status of the fingerprint results. Some examples of a background determination include eligible, which means the applicant is eligible to work and will have a reason attached. For this example, the applicant is eligible due to a background check clearance. You may also see in process, which means an application has been submitted in Guardian but is awaiting live scan results or pending background check review with CPMB staff. Not eligible may also appear, meaning the applicant is not eligible to work. And lastly, a closed determination status will appear when a background check has been closed by CPMB staff. This could be because the applicant has failed to submit required background check documents. You will notice in this example, this applicant has two background check numbers. If you select the blue carets to expand the section and view applications associated with the background check, you will notice the applicant is associated to child care agencies, adult and senior care agencies, and the home care aid registry. The background check requirement to work in a child care agency is for applicants to have a DOJ, FBI, and CACI background check conducted, whereas the requirement for an adult and senior care agency is only to have the DOJ and FBI background check conducted. Guardian will generate a new LiveScan form and background check number if an applicant needs to submit new fingerprints. Another item to note is an applicant will not become eligible until all background check requirements have been cleared. You will note there are different application columns reflecting an application number and/or type, if an application has been connected or transferred to another agency, the application number will appear as well as the term connected, as it is in these scenarios. The application status and status date will correlate and assist with understanding where the application is in the background check process. Determination available indicates a final decision has been made on the background check. The associated provider name to the application, request type, and positions will also populate. Any printable documents, i.e. the CDSS LiveScan form, will be populated under the Documents column. The Actions column allows notes to be added to a user's application as needed. To add a note, simply select the Note link. The text box will populate. You will notice the provider box below the text box. If you select this box, the note you input will be viewable by the provider or agency users. If you do not want the agency to be able to view comments, do not select the checkbox. Only state users will be able to view the notes if the provider checkbox is not selected. You may also notice the Add Employment feature under the Actions column. Division users should not utilize this feature. Lastly, there will be an Edit Application Identity feature. This feature is to edit the specific identity document utilized during an application submission. Once selected, the Edit Application Identity box will appear. Make any edits as needed and select Save when complete. Next, we will cover the Appeals tab. The Appeal tab will provide helpful information to track where an applicant is in the appeal process. The Association tab will provide a history of an applicant's employment information for all agencies under your program. For example, in my scenario, I am acting as an HCSB division user. I can only see this applicant's association to a home care agencies or the registry. The status column will display whether the person is permanent, meaning associated, or separated, meaning disassociated. The Actions column will allow you to edit associations for each agency. To separate individuals from an agency, you may select Edit. The Edit Association box will populate. You must then change the association status from permanent to separated and add a separation or disassociation date. Ensure to select Save once complete. If you initiate a separation, the status will change from permanent to separated, and a separation date will be input under the appropriate column. The Documents tab will provide a list of Guardian-generated letters, forms, and reports. The Accreditations tab will provide specific registry information. You will notice the accreditation status, which is registered due to a clearance, the original issue date of the registration, as well as the expiration date populated. And finally, the History tab will provide timestamps of each action taken on the applicant's profile for agencies within your program. Again, because I am an HCSB division user, I can see all changes made on applications for the HCS registry and home care agencies. This concludes the Person Search and Understanding the Person Summary page video. Additional training videos may be located at guardian.dss.ca.gov. Thank you for watching.